This video will explain the different statuses in the grant application. The first status is application in progress by dealer. The dealer has started an application but has not yet submitted it. The dealer can cancel this application at any time. Submitted awaiting grant approval means the dealer has submitted the application and SCAI are to review. Once it moves to letter of offer accepted, SCAI has approved the application. There is an automatic acceptance of the grant offer. The dealer can now progress the car sale for their customer. At registration pending, the dealer has uploaded the transaction document and the invoice. However, the grant system has been unable to complete the initial checks on registration and tax. The system will continue to check these details for the next 10 days. When it gets to tax VIN and registration verified, it means the system has performed the initial checks regarding the registration and tax and has checked those dates against the dates of approval and expiry of the grant offer. At registration approved, SCAI have reviewed and approved the vehicle registration and tax details. At awaiting payment status, the application is going through the final verification prior to payment. When it gets to paid status, SCAI have issued the payment instruction for the grant. The payment process has begun and this can take a few days. Once the dealer receives a remittance email, the funds have been transferred. There can be some issues with an application. If the application is at resubmit registration, it means that the system has been unable to reconcile the details of the grant application with the details of the vehicle. The grant application now requires intervention from the dealer. The dealer will receive an email detailing the issue, and the documents are now required to be corrected and resubmitted to the online system. If it says tax VIN and registration verification failed, it means that the grant payment application has failed, and the dealer will receive an email detailing the reason for the failure. There are two reasons for the status of grant cancelled by SCAI. The first is that the grant has passed the expiry date without the dealer submitting the transaction document and the invoice. The grant application is automatically cancelled by the system. The other reason is if the dealer has requested a grant application to be cancelled by SCAI. If in any doubt at any point, please stop the process and contact SCAI directly.